Hi there, and welcome to my PPro CC 2021 Summer Bootcamp for 2022. Hopefully you have this Google document, and I'm going to walk you through this in a variety of sessions and post those in little small chunks so you can chunk it as needed. To get started though, you're going to need to download the source files, and there's a link here that will take you to a Google Drive folder. I'm going to go pop over to that. I have already downloaded that myself, but when you get in there, what you're going to do is you're going to find the Breathe Summer22 zip file, right click it and download it. And it's going to tell you that it can't scan it because it's too big or whatever. That's fine. Once you download it, it's going to be down at the bottom of your screen in Chrome, like so. If you have a downloads folder, depending on how your computer is set up, it might be in there. What you're going to want to do is click this up arrow and go to Show in Folder. And whatever type of computer you're using, as long as it's Windows, this should work. So you're going to see that this is a zip file. I can see that because my view is set to large icons. So if you don't see that, you might not be on large icons. What you're going to do is you're going to uncompress the file. So you can right click it and open it that way. I like to open it with and then Windows Explorer. And then when you do that, you're going to see the files, but they're not extracted, and you can tell because it says extract at the top. You're just going to click extract all. There's going to be a box pop up, and you need to have you a folder. I already have made one in my videos folder called PPro Workshop Summer 2022, and then it's going to put it in a subfolder. I'm going to hit extract, and it's going to extract all of those files so that they're individual instead of, you know, all zipped together. Now to make sure, I'm going to go to my videos folder. I'm going to go find my PPro Workshop folder, and then here's the zip file, and here are the actual assets. I'm going to delete the zip file now so that I'm not confused by it. So this is how we're going to start off this project. So if you're going to work with me, please be sure to extract your files so that you have yours in this spot and ready to go. Then we're going to pop into Premiere, and I'm going to show you how to set up a project. So welcome.